Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Timothy Keenan. Today I'd like to show you the best way to heal persistent stomach knots yourself. Sit on the edge of a chair with your legs together, put the back of your hands together and position them just below the sternum. Bend forward until your wrists rest on your thighs, then gently let your weight down onto your hands. Hold this position for 10 seconds, come up for several breaths, then go back down again. Repeat the procedure 3 times and do this 3 times a day between meals. This is the rectus abdominis muscle. If it hurts yet feels good at the same time, you're doing the right thing. It's so easy. The weight of your body does all of the work for you. It's that simple. Try it for a week. If you feel improvement, continue treating yourself at the same intensity until you're perfectly healed. If your stomach knots are less intense and frequent, it's proof that you're healing and you should congratulate yourself. If you treat yourself as I've described, you should be completely healed in 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the severity of your condition. In order to accelerate healing, avoid chronic stress, tobacco, and overeating. Once healed, if ever you feel the pain coming back, treat it immediately before it gets worse. Finally, in an effort to clear up the confusion surrounding the real cause of stomach knots, if you heal yourself using my method, it's scientific proof that your stomach knots were caused exclusively by contracted soft tissues, since that's all my method corrects. This means that even if you can see osteoarthritis, what most people call arthritis, fibromyalgia, hiatal hernia, osteoporosis, spinal stenosis, scoliosis, misaligned vertebrae, subluxations, pinched nerves, a short leg or degenerated, slipped, thinned, bulging, or herniated discs on your X-rays, CT scans, or MRIs, they have absolutely nothing to do with your pain, so you can ignore them. Only 5% of stomach knots are caused by things other than contracted soft tissues, muscles, ligaments, tendons, and fascia, so you have a 95% chance of healing yourself when you use my method correctly. That's all you need to heal pain yourself. If you have any questions, feel free to write me. Bye for now and happy healing.